We start with the basic tools that we will be needing. We need plastic trim removal tools, a grommet puller, ratchet, T20, T30, Phillips head and an extension. And should we want to have an easier life, this type of tool is very useful. A multi-tool, a magnet for taking out the bolts, and a cutter blade if we need to do any trimming. At the same time, with installing the speakers, it's a very good idea to check the condition of your membrane. Especially on older BMWs, the membrane starts to unglue from the door and you'll have water coming inside of the car. To sort out this issue, you might consider applying an additional layer of butyl tape between the membrane and the door to seal everything up. Now, in my case, I've also used sound deadening material. I've used the sound deadening material on the door card, on the door lining, and to make sure that I don't get any water inside of the car, besides replacing the butyl tape, I've also placed that sound deadening material on the edge of the membrane to make sure that I'm not getting any water inside of the car. These were the tools. Let's go to the car and do the install.
Oh, they come as standard on other Mercedes, man.
BMW, no. I will try to take out only a part of the wire, keep the rest like that. And what I've noticed from the previous install, first we do the twitter, we fit the brackets, we fit the two brackets. Now we look at the shape. And the foam will allow us to pull in the wires. The screws are going in. Wiggle it a little bit left and right. For Philip's head. Now we will be using the speaker as a bridge, or we are using their interior mechanism. And to make sure that we don't have any vibration, I've pushed this in the foam. I hope that you'll be able to see it. And these two will be going to the speaker. Very nice that even the gapping in this area is very good. So overall, a good product, and I'm really surprised with the overall fit and finish and quality of the product.